So for this exercise, we're doing mirror, move, and stretch. So they want us to start with a rectangular border. Um, 0, 0 is the first point, and they want it to be 10 by 7. Double check if I want with my dimensions. 10, good. Then they want a second rectangle, also at 0, 0. So 0, 0. And then they want it 3 by 2. So this has got polar on, so it's going to not work the way I want it to. So rect, 0, tab 0. Then we got 3 by 2. I think it was supposed to be 2 by 3, but that's okay. Now we want to move. Same thing, we're going to select the object on. We're going to hit enter to select it. We got a base point selected. I'm going to F12. I want it at 1 by 1. And then we moved it, right? I don't know if it's going to get in the way. So I'm going to rotate it. Maybe. I'm going to move again. Select it, enter, choose my base point. All right. So after move, we're going to do copy. So same thing. I start typing copy. I turn copy on. I click the image I want to copy. I hit enter. They want it 3 inches over. All right, so over 3. So another way you could have did that would be copy, select the object, enter, displacement, pick the 12 at 3. And we got what? 360. Escape. Now we have our 2. We moved it to the right. You could use polar. You could use relative. Either one's going to work. All right, but we want this one to be a little taller, so we're going to use the stretch command. So escape out of everything. And I'm going to stretch. I use my polar to 1, or I could type it in, but it's 1 higher now. We could also did relative at 1, 0, but we can start mixing and matching our commands. Now we're gonna draw some lines for the mirror option. Keep out everything, line. Make sure lines turned on. They have relative points, so 7, 2, 8, 2, I think I have polar. I had my dynamic input on, so it kind of got a little wonky. Try one more time, line. Now I got to go into my command line for absolute points. 7 comma 2, 8 comma 2, 8 comma 5, 7 comma 3, and then 7 comma 2. Or I could have probably did close. Enter. I have this. All right, so I have this and I want to mirror it. So I turn on the mirror command. I click what I want to mirror. And then I pick where I want to mirror it. Click again. I'm not going to erase the. Now, if I erased it, the one would disappear. I would just have the mirrored version. I erase my other line. I can do my dimensions. You check midpoints. Let me turn my snap off. And I can go around, check my midpoints, check my stuff.